Hello friends. If you really want to speak English, then watch this video till the end. Because today, I am going to say something that might hurt a little. But if you listen to it, it can change your life. You must have searched on YouTube how to learn English, how to speak fluently, how to remember grammar. And every day you watch a new video. But are you able to speak English? No. Because you're not really learning, you're just searching. Today, millions of people are doing the same thing, watching videos about how to learn English. Every day, a new title, a new thumbnail. One day, it says, speak English in 5 days. Another day, speak English without grammar. And we all fall into this trap. But just think, if English could be learned by only watching videos, then everyone would be fluent by now. But the truth is, we get motivated, but we don't take action. Do you know how real English comes? When you listen every single day. When you listen to movies, stories, cartoons and podcasts. When you give just 5 minutes a day to English listening. Then your brain starts catching real English. You start understanding grammar, even without memorizing it. You learn phrases, sentences, tone, everything. But what do? We watch one more video, then another and another. And we keep saying, I'll start tomorrow. Listen to me, friends. Do you want to truly learn English or just pretend that you're learning? If you really want to learn, then start one small habit from today. Listen to English for 10 minutes daily. It could be a story, a cartoon, or a real conversation. Don't study grammar. Just listen, understand, and feel the language. This daily listening is what will actually teach you English, not watching tip videos. Now think, if someone wants to learn swimming, and every day he watches YouTube videos like how to swim, best tricks to swim, top 5 mistakes while swimming, but he never jumps into water, will he ever learn to swim? Of course not. English is the same. If you only watch tips, you will never speak. Let me tell you the story of two friends, Tom and Harry. Both had the same goal, to learn English. What did Tom do? He searched on YouTube every day. How to learn English. Best app for learning English. Fluent English without grammar. He watched one video, got a little motivation. Then the next day, watched another video. But he never made time to listen to real English. After 3 months, he was still the same. Confused, scared, and far from English. What did Harry do? He made a decision. I will only listen. Every day. He started listening to English stories. He listened to motivation videos in English daily. He started watching cartoons without Hindi subtitles. He didn't study grammar. He just practiced listening every day. Within 21 days, his brain got tuned. He started speaking. Small sentences, then full conversations. And today, he speaks English confidently. Why? Because he simply started listening. From today, don't watch anymore how to learn English videos. Instead, do this. Listen to one English story every day. Start watching one cartoon series in English. Repeat 5 sentences daily. Start thinking in English, even if it's simple. And most importantly, don't forget to listen to something in English every single day. You want to speak English, right? Then show the world that you are serious. You are not someone who just gets motivated by videos. You are someone who listens, understands, and learns to speak. Because if you just start, then no one can stop you. If this video opened your eyes, then make a promise right now. Write in the comments, I will listen and I will learn. And if you want daily listening practice, then subscribe to this channel. Here, you will learn English through real stories. Let's stop watching tips. Let's start real learning. Let's speak like pro.